I didn't get your name. Okay. Anyway, the lady who told us about celebrating men, she is emblematic of the great good wisdom of the American people. And the great good wisdom of the American people is seen in the courts with the jury. I would rather have 7 women like that deciding the future of my son than any judge, male or female. Because the reality is that a citizen doesn't make money from the destruction of the family. A citizen has to pay part of the court costs. Now, the father gets to pay most of it, but let's say the father pays 60 or 70 or 75%. The taxpayer still pays, 30 or 25% of it. And so the citizen in a jury is going to make a decision that's going to try and alleviate the conflict. Whereas a judge who's got friends of his that used to be in his law firm or other judge lawyers and things like that, divorce lawyers, he knows that if he instills conflict in his judicial decision, that the father is going to be outraged by the injustice of it, and he's going to take action to try and restore justice. That's the way that men are created. And so consequently, he perpetuates the problem. The judge, male or female, perpetuates the problem because it creates more business for the bar members.
It creates and perpetuates.
It creates and perpetuates more business for the bar members. So we have a multi-billion-dollar business of barbarians, bar members, judges, and lawyers from the destruction of the family. And I suggest to you that the single thing, if we could do only one thing, the best thing we could do is to make it so if ever either party wants to, in a child visitation or in a child custody decision, that there would be a jury trial. Because I would rather trust my son's future to 7 women than any judge, male or female. Thank you very much for your celebrating men, and let's celebrate America, men and women and families, and getting back to the place where if you're going to have a divorce, there's a movie that says spare the child. The proper answer is spare the child, share the child, or spare the child, don't divorce. There's a great ministry called Marriage Savers. I spoke about that earlier today. They have marriage mentors. Marriage counselors have a 10 to 20% success rate. Marriage mentors have a 70 to 90% success rate. If we could put more families back together, the cost to the family, the cost to the taxpayers, the cost in the judicial system would be greatly reduced, and all of America would be blessed. And so it is our duty to God and country, and I'm the chairman of the God and Country Foundation. It's our duty to God and country to try and protect and defend this Constitution and protect and defend these families of America, which are the foundation of this nation. Thank you. God bless you.